I love it, Sarah from the UK. And who are you today?
She's
here?
with the lady with the
Look at that man shirt. I love that. That's awesome. You want to get a
logo
picture like a before one? Yeah. I love it. So, by chance, are you married? Oh, are you dating anyone? Yeah? No, but not here? Yay! A router. I have all the pieces you need. So I'm trying. It's a Harry Oprah in me. Do the same with you. Put your arms out just like so. I'm going to give you all the parts you need, Sarah, to build a relationship. Your friend's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hands. It's a lot of fun on a Friday night. And of course, you gotta have a leg to get around town. We have that right here. And normal. Sorry. I know it's funny to say, oh, foot stinks, but literally, I don't know if the lights did something to it. Don't sniff it, but it's so soft. Just enjoy. Alex takes her over here to the counter. You can just throw this stuff down on top. I gotta grab something real fast out of the fridge. And we will keep going. Oh, Sarah! Did you scare her?
She's from the UK.
Why did you do that?
I don't know why you
That was rude. Well, I was the one at the fridge. You were the one at the table. Sorry, that won't happen again. Sarah's been initiated. She'll be our lovely assistant. If you could actually do me a favor, sir, roll up your sleeve.
Which one?
That one. You may be wondering where we got all of our severed limbs or how we go about getting them. I'm going to show you now.
What are you doing?
I want to show them how we...
No.
No.
Get somebody else.
Sarah. Welcome to America. I'll get there with this big sharp blade. I'll use this smaller one instead. It'll cut through a tin can. And a woman. Your bracelet says fearless. Ooh, that's nice. I'm gonna cut you for their enjoyment. It's gonna look like it hurts you guys. Her job's to make you believe it hurts by screaming. So just for practice, could you give us a big like, ah! 1, 2, 3! It's like you sat on a cold toilet. She's so cute. I love it. Don't worry, once a knife goes in, she'll just scream automatically. Oh man, I'm nervous. We don't even work here. We're spies from SeaWorld. 1, 2, 3! Wait. Oh, you scared me.
What kids here?
The kid, oh, you want me to cut the kids? Oh, Tom? Okay, yeah. Sweet kids. Listen up. All the blades we're using on stage today, these are safe. Whether they're dull or even made out of plastic. The people who set up the gags are professionals with a lot of training, so whatever you do, don't try this at home.
No, try it at a friend's house.
Try it at
closer to
church.
Sarah's arm, please.
Oh, can we? Oh, perfect. In beautiful standard definition. Here we go. A scar is born. 1, 2, 3!
That's her arm.
Yeah.
Is this supposed to happen?
Yeah.
Really?
No. What are you doing? Take a picture.
Sarah, does that hurt? Yeah, oh, she's such an actress. Look at her.
Well, my mom asked if I say, do you love me? Am I supposed to say yeah? Let me show you how it works, you guys. First off, the blade is really metal, so it looks sharp on camera, but you know it's dull. Right behind the handle, big blood bowl filled with fake blood. The blood's corn syrup and food coloring. Red, of course, and a drop of blue. The blade itself is the big secret. It slides in and out of the handle just like so. You can see the cutout that's hidden behind the fingers at first. We drag it around. During all that motion, we quickly drop and pull back. Looks like it's going in. This gag was developed by Tom Savini, very talented makeup artist out of Pennsylvania. Blade is not real and Sarah's not hard.
Let's hear it for Sarah.
I'll call it oats. No, I'm allergic to gluten. Sarah's wearing an ergonomic Gonyo Canetta telemetric input device. It's a high-tech puppet controller with sensors and gyroscopes. Her movements will be electronically transmitted into the creature I've created for the kids show. Let me introduce him with my new drum roll maker. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present to you 7 months of work. This is Eddie! Eddie! Turn up the lights.
You're not too proud of bag.
He's neat.
You said that's for a kid's show.
Yeah, I'm sorry. He's for the very last episode of Dora the Explorer. It's live action. Dora learns how to run muy rapido. Now the vest Sarah's wearing will control him. When she moves, he moves. I hope. I'm gonna turn on the power. You're gonna feel, I don't want to scare you. It's like you're trying to say what's up to someone from a distance but can't stop, if that makes sense. You won't remember this. When you wake up, the flowers on your shirt will be withered. Let's grab a photo together.
Selfie.
Oh, yeah.
Duck face.
Quack! Did I get it right?
Yes, absolutely.
Good. Make a copy of that, send it to my mom, tell her I found someone. Let's turn on the power.
Come
Oh.
on now.
Zapper, zaps.
Wait, what's going on here?
What do you mean?
The lights.
What do you mean?
I need the lights for just...
Okay, listen, I'm going to say this off microphone to maintain professionalism. Don't you ever question me!
I'm sorry I didn't hear you.
Idiot. Sorry. Third wheels, right? Run. This isn't a vest, it's a leash. I'm keeping you. The vest is on. This same technology goes back to the 90s. Jurassic Park used it. Even now we use it to keep Ozzy Osbourne alive. Hi kids, I'm Eddie. I live under your bed. Oh no, that's not me. I'm speaking through it. Like tongues. There's a gyroscope in the helmet, much like a compass in your phone. If you want to take like a little bow, like a yeah. Is that for real? No, that's so cool. That was cool that you're comfortable around me. It smells like culture. Vest is off, as is the power. What do you think about the telemetry suit?
Great.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, me, for my talent.
Sarah, before you go, here's a photo of a man that you might want to inform the authorities about.